Hello and welcome to our webcast. It's a pleasure to show you new products and exciting informations about the WAGO world. For me today, it's about TOPJOB terminal blocks with lever technology. I want to show you not only the newest member of the WAGO family, I want to give you an overview about the full product range of TOPJOB. If you have any questions, use the chat function. If you watch the video later when the chat function is not available, go to our WAGO webpage and come in contact with our support team. Before we start with the topic, I want to introduce myself. I'm Sven Sauerborn and I work at WAGO as a technical trainer. At the Hannover Fair 2018, we show you the first version of lever technology inside a terminal block. This year, with the 4 square millimeter version, we close the last gap between 2.5 square millimeter and 16 square millimeter versions. Due to the great success of our junction box terminal 221, we had the idea to include the lever technology inside a terminal block. The advantages are quite easy. Easy handling, toolless opening possibility without much explanation. You have both hands free to wire the cable, and the lever indicate which terminal you want to wire. That saves a lot of time during the wiring process. Especially if you have to wire a 5-wired cable, in my case 6 square millimeter version, it's quite easy with the lever technology. Just open all levers, maybe bend a little bit the conductors, put them into the terminal blocks and close the levers. Quite easy to use. At this point, I get very often the question, is it possible to send the products with an open lever? We have to look to two different points. On the one hand side, we can't guarantee that the lever stays open during the transport process. On the other side, more and more people are using the push-in technology. If you have solid wires or flexible wires with ferrules, this is the most time-saving technology. And with an open lever from the factory side, you reduce this time savings. In general, you can say, if the cross-section is bigger and the time window to connect something is smaller, the bigger is the benefit of the lever technology. The most frequently asked question in my training is, how often can I use the lever? From my electrician construction side point of view, I start smiling and re-ask, how often do you want to use the lever? But nowadays I know that we have a lot of application in schools, universities, laboratories, or in flexible devices where you have to rewiring more often. So I can say we tried more than 250 times and it works perfectly. If your wiring job is more internally, so inside a cabinet, we have altogether 3 different possibilities for you. If you have the right tool, you can use the standard version with the operating tool. If you prefer the push-button version, this is available, or the newest generation, the lever technology. All of the 3 technologies you can combine by yourself. You can use the lever in combination with a button or an operating tool. You can use only the button version or only the operating tool version. That's your choice. Similar flexible are our accessories. So you can combine all TOPJOB accessories for all versions of connecting possibilities. The most used accessory from my point of view are the markers. We prefer on TOPJOB the marking strip. You have the possibility to print 3 lines to get more information on your terminals. If you prefer the WAGO WMBs, this is also possible to use, so you can integrate the WMBs on TOPJOB as well. To create the markers, you can use the Excel import function to integrate your list into the Smart Script software. You can use our templates or you can create your own templates. All markers you need inside a cabinet, wire markers, terminal block markers, labels, you can create with this one software. If you're ready to print, you can use our thermotransfer printer, Smart Printer. This combination, software and hardware, is the best solution to print what you need for your cabinet just in time. The last thing I will show you is our online configurator, the Smart Designer. If you plan and organize your cabinet, you can do it directly online without any installation necessaries. You use the DIN rail, put the products on top and the accessories, adapters, markers. You have the benefit to start the order process, the printing process. You can create a documentation with pictures and part list, and we can offer you CAE tools as well for the most popular drawing tools. That was a short round through our WAGO TOPJOB S portfolio. I hope you enjoy it. If you have further questions, go to www.wago.com and ask our support team. Otherwise, you can come in contact with your already known contact person. Thanks for your attention and have a good day.